Today we'll be unboxing a Whoop 5.0 and a Whoop gift package. Later on in the video I'll also be giving you an unboxing and my first impression at the Whoop 5.0. I've had my 4.0 for about 2.5 months, and I decided to pay the $50 for the 5.0. One of my friends from school I know really wanted a Whoop. He had seen me with it, he had asked about it, and Whoop has a program where if you upgrade from the 5.0, you can give someone your 4.0 for 2 months, and it's absolutely free for them. It works out really well because not only do they get to try a Whoop for twice the normal amount of time, if they decide to buy it, I also get $50 worth of Whoop credit, which can nearly buy one of their premium bands. Right about here, I realized there's a lot more piece to the band than I thought there was. You can see me taking off some other little bits. Whoop makes it really easy and tells you exactly what you need to do to set it up for them. You just take the old one off, put the new one on, and put it nicely in the packaging after cleaning it. The packaging comes together so well that you wouldn't even realize at first that that's not how it always is. I forgot to put the stickers in at first, so I had to open it back up and do that again. There's no specific spot for the cable that it comes with, so I'm kind of just keeping it on top. Now it's time for what you've been waiting for, the new Whoop 5.0 unboxing. The packaging is really simple, although all you're doing is upgrading. I thought all the little activity icons was such a cool little added detail. Other than it being a little thinner, one new thing about the new charger is that the sides of it are clear. The included cable also doesn't have a big bump in the middle like the old one did. I'm not sure if I'm describing this correctly, but the grips on the back of the band are a lot stronger in this model, so it made it more difficult to adjust the sizing, although I feel like once it is adjusted it will stay for a lot longer. Another huge improvement this one offers is a claimed 14-day battery life, so give me 2 weeks and I'll let you know how that is. Whoop made it super easy to pair this one, a lot easier than it was pairing my 4.0 originally when I first got it. One thing I was pretty upset by to learn was that for the body aging and how fast your body is aging thing, you need to be over 18, which while yes, I understand, it's a lot different when you're under that age. They should have made that a little clearer. Just for fun, I wanted to test the alarm feature, and it still feels the same. If anything, it might be a little bit more powerful. You can see it pretty clearly on my wrist here, and overall I think that the matte finish looks a lot better than at the 4.0. Otherwise, they look very similar, this one being, I believe, 13% smaller. Overall, I'd say I probably didn't need to upgrade, but I think the battery life alone makes it worth it. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider subscribing and liking it, and thank you for your time.